How you guys doing? I'm Andy, My Soul's Trades.
And I'm Sarah.
And this is Mira. So what we traded today, Sarah?
Today we traded ACHV.
ACHV. Mira's really sweet doggy. Mm-hmm. ACHV. Yeah, ACHV, I grabbed that pre-market at the bottom. About 60-something cents. And I sold it at 72, I believe.
Yep.
So grabbed a nice trade on that. Could have held it longer. Could have got a lot more out of it. But as you can see, it went back down before it went up again. So I wouldn't hung out for that.
Right. Yeah, but it turned out to be a good trade anyway, though.
Yeah, it was an awesome trade.
Then we traded ONCS, which also had news. They presented interim data of 28.5% objective response rate from ongoing Keynote 890 study evaluating Tavo in combination with Keytruda for heavily pre-treated late-stage metastatic triple-negative breast cancer at the 2019 San Antonio Breast Cancer Symposium.
And yeah, ONCS, that's another one that I grabbed right at the bottom, actually.
Yeah.
Completely. Yeah, I know my last buy on that was definitely right at the bottom.
Yeah, it was at the bottom, and I think that was a really good trade.
That was a really nice trade. It was really easy, and it was basically like one of those ones that wants you to believe that it's about to die, and
yeah,
I was just not willing to believe that, and for good reason.
Right. Well,
that turned out to be amazing. That was a really nice trade.
It was definitely an amazing trade.
What was your percent on that one, do you know?
Not exactly. I don't remember.
5
it was no, I think it was 14%.
Oh, that was the 14%.
That was the 14% one.
All right, guys. Yeah, that was an amazing trade. Grabbed it at the bottom, popped up really fast. I could have got more out of it, but honestly, I just wanted to get out.
Yeah.
You know.
I think the volume was low at the point where we were in it.
You shake like a chihuahua. Because I am a chihuahua.
Yeah, she is a chihuahua.
All right, what else?
ACB,
ACB. Pot stocks. Honestly, I should just leave pot stocks alone, guys. I don't do good with pot stocks. I mean, I have done really good with pot stocks in the past, but I've done really bad with pot stocks in the past.
Yes, definitely, because they're so unpredictable.
They're whippy, unpredictable.
You don't know what kind of news they're going to have.
The same exact huge move that it will make to the upside, it will make to the downside. It'll even break lower, lower lows after making huge higher highs.
Yeah.
Or it trades like this one was like a barcode. I mean, this thing's like being held between 1 penny the whole way across, up, down, wherever.
Right. So it was definitely
why I traded this. I traded this because honestly, I wouldn't mind grabbing this for a swing trade right now. And I even considered it, but just I can't force myself to do that swing trading thing a lot of times. But I really believe that right here, very soon pot stocks might get running again. And
yeah, that'd be cool.
I wouldn't mind grabbing ACB and holding it for the next few months even.
Yeah, it's pretty low right now.
Yeah, I think that in the next few months having something like that would be pretty nice. But
yeah,
only time will tell. And I didn't grab it and hold it like that, so.
Right, got out.
What are you doing?
The next trade was ROYT.
ROYT, that's another one that just surprised me. I thought it was going to be a pump and dump, but it pulled back. I grabbed it on the pullback. It gave me everything, and I was just like, that was nice. I could have grabbed it more, but I didn't. I just didn't trust it for that second run, I believe.
Yeah, I didn't trust it either.
So yeah, the first run was mine, and second run, no dice there, because I didn't believe it was going to do. It just didn't seem like it would. The reason is honestly because I thought it was going to pull back to the 20, but instead it pulled up right above the VWAP and went up from there. So pretty much that's a missed trade because I wasn't willing to grab it there. I figured it had more way to go down.
Yeah, I did too, and it didn't. And this didn't have any news. The last news I saw on this was from like December 4th about it basically having a delisting warning. So
yeah, this one should make the VWAP traders happy. What are you doing, silly?
Silly. She's tired. Look at her eyes.
Going to sleep?
Okay. The next one we traded
CCCL, China stock, another one.
China ceramics.
And then what? CIF or C?
Oh, CI.
Something
CIFAS
else today.
something.
A couple, CFI. I don't know.
Yeah, we're talking about the China trade deals today. So some
China trade deals. And do you want down? So basically, yeah, that's nothing to be really excited about. Definitely something to run from. As fast as we could get out of that, with profit that we did.
Yeah, it was a good trade though.
They were all good trades today.
Yeah, they were all really good
We had
trades.
a long list of really great trades today. What do we got today? 300.
Well, 347, I think.
I don't know. We have a lot, like 327% already the profit target somewhere. I don't know.
This one though, LMPX.
LMPX is amazing. Was amazing.
Mm-hmm.
It even kept going after it stopped. And you know, I saw in the chat today. What do we got? Some auto rental company. Like,
Yeah.
what's going on here?
They had news. Like there was only 2 stocks today that had news, and this is one of them. They were trading higher because the president and CEO Samir Tawaf purchased $1.73 million worth of the company shares. And it's at the average price of like $13.15. So,
and,
yeah.
You know, like I said, if I was that guy, I would be scaling up at the $40, the $34 range, you know?
Yeah, this is a recent IPO, I think, this month. So,
yeah, I mean, the guy, like, just, congratulations. Whoever you are, sir, congratulations. That's a nice trade.
I don't think you see this happening very often with IPOs, especially ones that you don't really know what the heck they are, what company they are, what they do.
I'd just like to know when he's going to sell them.
Yeah, I'd like to know too. I'm sure we'll find out when he does sell them.
Yeah, we'll find out when he does sell them, exactly. And, yeah, so pretty much just a really amazing day that's about as slow as this video, guys.
Oh, yeah.
It was so slow. This proves to you, don't walk away. Don't walk away from your computer. Don't just say, oh, well, today sucks, you know, I'm closing shop.
Yeah, because you never know what's going to pop.
You never know what's coming down the line. I mean, sometimes it's the slowest day ever, and then all of a sudden the biggest ripper you've ever seen just, you know, before your eyes, and there you go. You missed it because you're you know, that's one thing I can tell you guys. Any gurus that I've been, you know, part of their chats or anything like that in the past to just see what's going on, they all do that. They're all like, nope, this one's done. No, that one's dead.
Oh, yeah,
no, that one's over.
Yeah.
No, and they always move on, and then, you know, it's just to the next thing. But a lot of times, well, my luck, I've told you guys, my luck is I've never had any luck following somebody else's trades.
Yeah, I think sometimes it's a little difficult to follow other people's trades, especially when you know they say it's over, because a lot of times it's not over.
Yeah, it's the whole thing is it's either over or here, check this low volume, you know nothing garbage that's gonna literally dump the moment you touch it.
You always hear people talk about that's over. It did its move.
Yeah,
we'll check back later. But then a lot of sometimes people.
A lot of people.
Price alerts.
Well, see, that's what I was gonna say. You know, if you guys are interested in a live trading room, other than what we have here with the Benzinga Pro stream with the squawk and all that, and you know whatever my commentary is. Barry down at Trade Ideas has an awesome setup right now. He can really help you learn. Trade Ideas has a great free room. It's free. Like you know, you don't even have to be a Trade Ideas subscriber.
Right. Yeah.
If you want to learn how to trade, there's a lot of you know great traders that go in and out of the room, that are in the room all the time even. And
yeah, there's over 300 people in that room, I believe, almost like every day.
I think that's the one thing that I don't like the most about doing what I do, because if not, I think I would just be over at Barry's room too.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, we were in Barry's room a lot. So.
There's no point in you know wasting your money with some guru out there when you can literally just go over to Trade Ideas free trading room.
Exactly.
You know, check it out.
Yeah, and then and you get to see what kind of Barry.
And if you're interested, we got a link in the description for Trade Ideas, but we can also, you know, we'll put up and we'll provide a link for Barry's trading room in there as well.
Right. Yeah, because it's awesome. You should check it out.
And you know, that's the one thing, guys. I'm not against anybody going. You know, I'm for you guys getting everything you can about trading, like growing them as much as you can. If it means going over to another chat, or if it means going to, you know, just basically there's various sources out there that are very profitable, very free too.
Right.
A lot of free resources out there.
Yeah, you always
can
gotta
grow. You can learn.
Look for the free resources first, because they're pretty helpful.
I think if you go and spend like $3,000 on some dude's course, I think you're going to be just as sucky as a trader when you leave the course, and you're just going to be really disappointed that now that you're finally, maybe once you do start trading, that you learn on your own, because that's how you got to do it. I think, you know.
Yes, exactly. You got to get in there and do it in order to learn too.
Yeah, I mean, you can paper trade, that's fine, and you know, I always say start very small if you're really trading too.
Yeah.
You know,
you don't want to start off with like 1,000 shares in a stock.
Yeah, well, we got a mouthful in this video. This is a long one, but basically, yeah, just you know, you don't need to try to have a profit target in the beginning that's some sort of ridiculous amount. Like you don't you shouldn't think that just because you have a $25,000 account that you're going to now pay your bills on trading as a new trader. Because what's likely going to happen is you're going to lose your $25,000 account.
Yeah.
And you know.
More than likely, yeah.
So you know, just basically forget about those huge profit targets. Forget about making all that money. Don't be thinking about Lambos or getting rich from day trading. You got to actually, you know, love trading. You got to learn trading, love trading. You're constantly learning, constantly growing as a trader. If you're not, I mean, I really don't think you're much of a trader.
Right. Yeah, you're not, because you have to learn. You can't just do it and think you're going to get somewhere without knowing what you're doing.
Right. So, anyways, we got a lot to say, pretty ADD-ish today, but I think we got it out nonetheless. Anyways, thanks for joining us. I'm Andy with Mighty Soldier Trades.
And I'm Sarah. Thanks. Check us out. Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.